so much for having me here.
Thank you so much for gracing us with your time and presence. Very, very fresh. Let's give a big warm of applause and cheers for the one and only Belle. How are you? How are you? Are you feeling excited, nervous? How was your sleep?
I had great sleep.
8
Thank you so
hours?
much. 7 naman.
Well, kahit kulang pa yan, hindi halata because you're just so very French. Right, guys? Okay, that's perfect. You can sit down. We're gonna have a little icebreaker. So, for our icebreaker, you know, it's a recent show, the Islands, instead of proving your worth to doubters.
Ooh, green flag.
Green ba to?
Green
Yes,
flag,
green
yes.
flag.
Of course, I think parang by the end of the day, we seek our identities and we seek validation within ourselves and through our faith and through you guys, our supporters. So these doubters and these people who really don't matter, like, you take their criticism as something that would help you grow, pero that you don't have to prove anything to them because you know who you are.
Absolutely. You know, that was actually something that in our passion panel kanina they were talking about because we had